Good morning students. Today we are going to deal with environment from geography. What is environment? What does it contain? Why do we need to study about the environment? What comes under environment? What is an ecosystem? All these things we will be discussing in this chapter. Coming to the definition of the word environment. The word environment is derived from French word environneur, which means neighborhood. The word environment is derived from French word environneur, which means neighborhood. What is environment and from where it comes? The system which needs to support life on the planet Earth is known as environment. So, the conditions which are required to survive on this planet is known as environment. We also call it as the basic life support system. By seeing this, we understand that the place, people and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. It is a combination of natural, human-made and human phenomena. The components of environment are natural, human-made, human. These three categories are very essential for forming the components of environment. Children, if you closely notice that everything is interdependent, means everything is depend on each other directly or indirectly. Here, what are natural components of environment? Natural components of environment: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Human: individual, family, community, religion, economy, educational, political situation. These all under human. Then what are human-made components? Buildings, parks, bridges, monuments, roads, industries. These are all components of environment. Let us quickly understand these two definitions of what is biotic and what is abiotic. The world of living organisms, for example, plants and animals. Abiotic means the world of non-living elements, for example, soil, sunlight, land and water. So, that is basically the meaning of these two words, biotic and abiotic. Next, domains of the natural environment. They are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. What is lithosphere? The hard top layer of the earth made up of rocks and minerals. They are mountains, plateaus, plains and valleys. Next one is hydrosphere. The domains of water is hydrosphere. It comprises of water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, which is essential for life. Next, what is atmosphere? The thin layer of surroundings of earth, that is atmosphere. The thin layer of air that surrounds the earth is atmosphere. It protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. Coming to the biosphere. Plants and animal kingdom together made biosphere. It is narrow zone of earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. What is an ecosystem? Children, have you looked at this picture? Now, we will try to understand what is the meaning of ecosystem. All plants, animals and human beings depend on these immediate surroundings. Often, they are also interdependent on each other. The relation between the living organisms and their surroundings form the ecosystem. They could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, mountain, lakes rivers, oceans, and even a small pond. This is the entire meaning of ecosystem. We celebrate World Environment Day on 5th June every year. Why do we celebrate World Environment Day, children? It promotes ways to improve the earth environment, such as conserving forests. I hope you understood the concept of environment, components of environment, major domains of natural environment, and what is an ecosystem. Children, complete the worksheet related to this topic. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.